Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 2, which is from the chemical kinetics chapter. And in this question, if you see, what has been asked is the consider a reaction A plus R giving us product. The rate of this reaction is measured to be K into AR. At the start of the reaction, the concentration of R is R naught and is 10 times the concentration of A naught. The reaction can be considered to be pseudo first order reaction with the assumption that the Kr is equals to K dash is constant. Due to this assumption, the relative error in percentage in the rate of when this reaction is 40% complete is. So how to do this question? Let us start this question. So let us start solution. So we have given A plus R giving us P. So the rate will be equals to rate constant into concentration of A into concentration of R, and we have given R naught is equals to 10 times A naught. So also Kr is equals to K dash. Now if you see the initial rate will be equals to K into concentration of A naught into 10 raised to 10 into A naught, which is equals to 10 into K into A naught square. Now rate at 40% completion. At 40% completion, if you see the rate, then it will be 80 is equals to A naught minus 0.4 A naught, which is equals to 0.6 A naught, and RT is equals to 10 A naught minus 0.4 A naught, which is 9.6 A naught. Now if you see the rate is equals to rate constant into concentration of A at T time into concentration of R in T time. It will be equals to K into 0.6 into A naught into 9.6 into A naught. Now this will be K into 0.6 into 9.6 A naught square. And if we assume rate after assuming it pseudo first order reaction, the rate will be equals to rate constant into concentration RT into AT, and we know for after considering the pseudo first order reaction, this will be equals to K dash into AT. Now R dash will be equals to K dash into 0.6 A naught, which is equals to 6K into A naught square. So now percentage error will be 6K A naught, which is the rate after the 40% completion, minus 5.76 when we are not considering its pseudo first order reaction. So percentage error will be like, it will be 0.24 divided by 5.76 into 100, which is equals to 4.17%. So answer should be 4.17%. So if you see here, we have first calculated the rate by not considering the K into R equals to K dash. So the rate comes out to be this value, and when it calculated, it will be equals to 5.76 K into A naught square. This value is without considering it first order reaction, and after assuming the first order reaction, the rate will become equals to this, because now this 10 A naught will not reduce to 9.6 A naught. It will be remain like 10 A naught because we have considering it as a constant. That's why the error will be equals to 0.24 divided by 5.76 into 100. That's why the answer should be the 4.17. So the correct answer should be for this is 4.17%. Thank you so much for listening.